Michael pays $59.99 for a video game. He has a 20% off coupon for the game. The sales tax is 7.5%. He pays $3.14 for shipping. Note, you do not pay tax on the shipping cost, and a discount applies to the pre-tax amount, before tax, or tax not included amount. How much did he pay in all? Okay, great. So let's figure out how much Michael's going to pay for the video game by figuring out the 20% off of the $59.99. So I'm going to change this to the typing tool. 20% of the retail price of the game, or you could say 20% of the $59.99. And then we change the 20% to a decimal. So the decimal starts out here, and we move it 2 times to the left. So we get 0.2. So 0.20 or 0.2 times the $59.99. And when we multiply that, we get 11.998, and then we'll round it. With money, you can only have 2 decimal places. Let's see if I can make this a little bit larger. There we go. So we're rounding to the hundredths place, and the 8 is the decision maker. 5 or more, you let it soar. Well, this is an 8, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's included in the 5 or more, so we're going to let it soar. So just think about it. What is 1 more cent than $11.99? Well, that would be $12. So the discount is $12. So what we would do to figure out the price of the video game is we take the $59.99 and then we would subtract the $12. So $59.99 minus $12, we get $47.99. So the new price is now $47.99. After we have figured out the sale price, the $47.99, we figure out the sales tax. So the sales tax is 7.5% of what you're spending. So 7.5% of the sale price. So 7.5% of the $47.99. And then 7.5% as a decimal, let's see what that looks like. 7.5, you move the decimal 2 times to the left, and we get 0.075. So 0.075 multiplied by the $47.99. And that will be the tax. So I multiply those two together, and 7.5% of $47.99 is this value. So I'll copy that and paste it. Make this a little bit larger so we can round it. So you round to the hundredths place, and the decision maker is a 9, and the 9 makes $3.59 become $3.60. So it goes up by 1 cent. So this is the tax. And you take a tax and you add it to the sale price, so to the $47.99. So we take our $47.99 and we'll add the $3.60. And that gives us $51.59. Okay, so we figured out the sales tax. Now it says he pays $3.14 for shipping. So we take the $51.59 and we add $3.14 for shipping. With the shipping cost added, we get $54.73. Let me make sure I copied that right. $54.73. All right, so it says, how much did he pay in all? So let's look back through and just make sure we covered everything. So we applied the discount, we figured out the tax, we applied the shipping amount. All right, so this should be the total that he pays in all. So Michael pays $54.73 in all. And I'll circle that so it's nice and clear that that is the answer.